Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for trapezius. Let's begin. Sit down nice and tall. Inhale, skull lifting up. Exhale, 45-degree angle. And tuck your chin, look down. And palm gently press your head down. And same time your head press against your palm. And 5 deep breaths here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. And exhale. The opposite shoulders dropping down. And in next exhale, slowly bring your hand down and bring your neck to the neutral. And inhale, exhale, look opposite side, 40-degree angle, tuck your chin. Use your palm, press your head gently down. At the same time, your head press against your palm. 5 deep breaths. Relax your arms, shoulders. Now release your hands. Bring your head back to center. Beautiful. Okay, now interlace your hands behind. And from here, we're gonna turn your head 36-degree angle, circle. Really focus on trapezius muscle. There, stretch all direction. Again, doesn't have to be big movement. It's very subtle, small. Okay, now let's do the opposite circle. And release back to center. Good job, guys. Okay, now let's lay down on the side. Forearm down. Use opposite hand as a support. And from here, crown reach into the opposite side. Okay, not your neck sinking down like this. So really create space. Pull your shoulders away from ear, the scalp. Crown reaching opposite side. And from here, keep this space. And from here, I want you to look your gaze, nose down, and still make sure your shoulders pull away from ears, and then crown reaching opposite side. And from there, stretch, and breathe. Make sure don't sink your neck down like this. Okay, create space. Pull your shoulders down. Skull lifting up. Keep your chin down, tucked. Breathe. Now look to the side and slowly push your hands and back to center. Let's do the other side. Onto your side. Stack your knee on top on the other. Forearms down, use opposite hand as a support. And from here, again, pull your shoulders down and the crown reaching opposite side. See, create space here, no space. I want you to create space here. And then from here, look down, tuck your chin. And deep breath between 5 to 8. Check the space between your ears and shoulders. Crown reaching to the opposite side. And slowly look back to center. And from here, I want you to lay down on your back. Knee up and bring your heels little close to your hips. And open your knee about your hip distance. And now interlace your hands under your head. And from here, tuck your chin. And I want you to bring your elbow close to each other. This way. Tuck your chin, elbow close to each other. Again, stay there between 5 to 8 breaths. And slowly bring your head down on the mat. And release. Now drop your knee to your left. And then left palm up and left arm straight. And from here, right hand draw a semicircle and to meet with left palm. From here, again, draw a semicircle. Bring your right arm to the right. Again, draw the circle. meet with opposite palm. Make sure to breathe in, out on your own. And palm together for a few breaths here. Just take a pause and breathe. After 5 breaths, let's do the other side. So I'm just gonna switch here. Lay down to the opposite side. And from here again on the floor, draw semicircle. Palm meet with palm. And back few times. Slowly. And make sure to breathe. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. And palm together. Stay there. 5 breaths. Very good. Now, slowly sit up. And palms together, heart center. This sequence is designed to stretch your upper back and neck. I recommend you do it on a regular basis. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!